Hello guys, welcome back. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, turn on those post notification bells so that I will update you via notification when I do get these videos uploaded. So we do have another work at home position. This is with the company Sutherland. They are looking for customer service and sales representatives. This is USA work at home base. So a little job description. Do you want to work from home with a supportive, exciting team? We are currently recruiting for driven individuals to join our team as customer service and sales representatives. As a customer service and sales representatives, you'll bring your expertise to deliver exceptional service and solutions to customers through inbound call. You will get to work with top technologies and systems while having a dedicated team of leaders and peers to support you. What they're offering is $15 per hour for the position. You will have medical, dental, and vision benefits, paid training. You'll get an advancement opportunities. 80% of their frontline leaders have actually been promoted from within the company. Additional pay incentives, employee discounts, and EAP and health and wellness programs are available. Now, if you're a great fit, you'll be a natural communicator who thrives at helping customers with questions, whether it be with billing inquiries or issues, and you want to do it in a courteous and professional manner. You're a problem solver, you are a great listener, and you ask the right questions actually to get the actual outcome that the client is wishing for. Have at least 1 year experience in customer service, have completed your high school diploma or a GED equivalent, and have full-time availability. So definitely be flexible on your time. Now, qualifications for your at-home office is to have excellent internet connectivity, and they are asking for you to have 2 Mbps and then 10 Mbps for download. A computer for you to set yourself up for success to work from home. And I always say, guys, you do not have to work one at home position. You are now becoming an entrepreneur the minute you start working from home, because you can choose what companies you work for due to your timing and what you need. But also you can add on additional companies as you go along. And then when you feel as if, okay, I'm ready to take the full step of my business, then you'll go out and venture on your own. So this is where you can start to get to build the criteria you need. Have a quiet and distraction-free, secure place to work. 2 20-inch monitors are required, wired keyboard, a wired mouse, and a headset to use for training and meetings. So you will definitely have meetings. Training is something that they will give you. Don't worry if you're feeling that you're not familiar with things before taking calls. A smartphone that is 4 years old or newer. Okay, so I am going to do what I normally do for you guys, and that is going to place this information in the description, the link there. You just have to copy and paste, and then you'll apply for this position right here. That will take you over to the sutherlandglobal.com page. This is where the actual application starts to get submitted. Okay. All right, guys, so thank you so much. Please remember, if you've already stopped by, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Guys, check out some of the vlogs that I've been uploading. If you are thinking about going full entrepreneurship, I can discuss information on that as well. How to come up and get your LLCs, how to get, those bank accounts open, because when you do that, you want to secure everything at one time. You start out slow, but eventually you want to get all of your ducks in order, so that when tax time comes or there's an issue like this C-19, and people have been trying to get their loans funded and they didn't have the correct information, you want to have your things in order, so that you have something to present in the case something happens like this again. Not only that, if you're interested in certain credit cards that are you can get for your business, then let me know as well, and I will gladly introduce you guys to what the information that I know. I don't mind sharing. All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by. See ya.